2011 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys today. It's got factory converters there and there. Then the customer requested true duals, but it had the dreaded third cat, so we had to put a dual in, dual out catalytic converter on it right there. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back on each side, right there and right there, into 6-inch tips there and there. We got to get those hangers cut off right there and right there. 6-inch tips. This is the system we cut off of it right there. There's where the cat was. There's the muffler, flex pipe, tailpipe, all right there. He wanted to put a trailer hitch on it, so he wanted them out the side. I said, no problem. There it is. Came out really beautiful, really clean. 2013 or 11 Chevy Silverado. Sound decibels? 107. That sounds phenomenal. I love it. What you guys hear on the inside? '11 Silverado. His workhorse. Like it.